create a contact sheet in Photoshop, open the app, go to File, Automate, and then click Contact Sheet. That will then open a new window for you to select. You click Choose, and then you find the folder on your desktop. Make sure that's a folder where you have included all of your images. Now here you can decide how many photos you want per row and how many columns. I took 35 photos for mine, so I'm going to do 6 by 6, but if you want your thumbnails to be larger, you could make the columns just a few columns and a few rows. And here you will see it loads it into one sheet. This will just take a few seconds. And once they are all loaded, a couple clicks away from finishing, go back up to File, go back to Export, Quick Export as a PNG. I suggest you save it to your desktop to make it easy to find, and then click Save, and then you will find it on your desktop saved and ready to upload to Spark.